Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So today here on the lot, we got a brand new, well it's not brand new, but fairly new Grand Design Solitude. And it's actually here for an estimate to go ahead and replace the rear wall. So the owners had accidentally clipped something. I'm not sure what they hit. But let's go walk around the unit and see. Let's see if I can try to not get the license plate in here for a second. All right, there we go. So anyways, on this Grand Design Solitude, you can see they actually clipped the ladder and the ladder got broken off. And so the ladder got broken off. It actually broke the aluminum and cracked it and bent everything all the heck and back. The wall distorted the aluminum structure in the wall and damaged it. They actually took a come-along and used a strap to strap it down here to anchor it back in place to get here. Broke the light loose, as it ripped it off. Sorry, I'm in the shadows of this. And then they took some Eternabond tape, or maybe that's, no, that's like a Gorilla tape. They took some Gorilla tape and taped it back up. But here's where they hit it with the impact. And it hit right here and just basically took this wall and ripped it loose. So if you haven't already checked out some of our other videos and posts, we do a lot of rear damage like this. It happens all the time. It also looks like it scratched up the decals there as well. So I'll have to make sure the girls got that on their estimate. But this just happens. That's what insurance is there for. I've had customers sometimes come in, and I have one that, love the guy. He's even been in some of our other videos. He hit his RV 4 times on all 4 sides. And so, of course, his insurance company doesn't love him, but, he keeps us busy down here. So anyways, when this gets back, I'm not sure if we're just going to replace I think we're just going to replace the decals. We're going to replace the J-metal, which means this compartment door has to come off. We're going to take this whole entire wall completely off and replace it. So we are actually waiting for Grand Design right now to let us know an ETA, and I think all the pricing for that, so that we can turn that into the insurance company. So stay tuned for more, and as we go to take this apart, we'll get back to you. From what I'm told, I'm not sure which side, but I believe there's a full shower inside on the back. So there's a bunch of stuff's got to go into play on that. So, okay. And if you've had an accident, whether it be an awning, impact, tire damage, front cap issues, whatever, we're here to help you. So give us a holler. This one, if you wanted to know the model number, it's a ST380FL. I'm assuming that's for the front living room, if I remember right. There's so many different terms on these different coaches nowadays. But all right, everybody. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more. And when we tear this thing apart, we'll get you a bunch of details and talk about how it's all put together and how it comes apart and different little tricks and stuff that we do to kind of better protect the unit once it goes back together. All right, thanks again for watching. Dustin, your RV Specialist.